Good afternoon. Today on Customer States What? We're going to be using zip ties to clean some carbon. This car is in for a carbon clean service. So we're looking in the... That's a little bit of after shot right there. Nice and clean. Let's get in there with a flashlight. Looking good, looking good, looking good. Then we go to this side. Ooh-wee, look at that carbon. Ooh-wee. That's a lot of Guguts. Ooh-wee. Alright, that's how they look. And that's how they're gonna look when we're done cleaning these chambers out. Yeah. So this is what we do. Just stick that in there. Go the other way. Get this one. Go the other way. Now what this is doing, it's breaking up all that big stuff. Then we'll go in there to get the little stuff. See how it looks after just that. Oh, it's still a little choppy, but a lot of the big chunks are now off. Alright, let's continue. So now that we got the service clean, the number 2 injector is replaced, all the seals on the injectors are replaced. We look inside those cylinders. Ooh, they nice and clean now. Nice and clean. Ooh yeah. So now we're going to put the rest together and hopefully it won't misfire. So now that we got the lower intake runners installed, fuel rail installed, everything is torqued down to specifications. Noticed, oh wait, we got a little duct tape mod here, but we're using some navy blue. Alright, you almost had me, but I see you. So now that we got the intake on, pressurized the fuel system, we're running, no misfires, feels good. Gonna give it a road test, give it a good drive cycle, give it the lead foot, and hopefully nothing comes back. So cool. Carb clean did pretty good. We put 2 cans of fuel additive in to clean the rest of the fuel system. Very good. That's how you do a carb clean with zip ties, and not to mention a bunch of these and some scrapers. Ooh-wee. Hey guys, thank you. Like, subscribe, hit that bell notification for further content.